Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to sell t-shirts on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So go to your Shopify admin panel and click on products and click on add product and give here the t-shirt title and enter here your t-shirt description and click on add file to add media of your t-shirt and give here the t-shirt price, and if your product has any discount then enter the discount rate here, and you can turn on charge tags on this product and cost per item, give here the cost, and inventory will be stocked at, you can select your location and give here your SKU number, and I'm going to turn it on continue selling when out of stock, and available, give here the quantity. This is a physical product. If you're selling ebook, music or any document, then you have to deselect this option, but we are selling t-shirt and t-shirt is a physical product, so make sure to check this option. And now enter here your product weight, and this product has options like color or size. Turn on this, select option name and give here the option value, give another value here and click on done. And the same way I'm going to add in another option and the option name color, and I'm giving the color name here, and click on done. And now you can set in different price for each variant and the quantity for each variant, and after that scroll up and product status, select active, select the type, give here the vendor, and if you want to add your t-shirt to an collection then you can select the collection name here, enter here your t-shirt tags and click on save. And here you can see I've successfully added my t-shirt to sale on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.